This year, Botswana will be part of the greatest global gathering in history. Under the theme, Connecting Minds, Creating the Future, Expo 2020 Dubai is a celebration of culture, collaboration and innovation. And as Botswana, through our theme, Outpacing Progress through Smart Partnerships, we will be there to showcase our unique culture, economic diversity, and our pristine wildlife and natural resource. This is our opportunity to unleash our potential in a 6-month-long spectacle from the 1st of October 2021 to the 31st of March 2022. Along with 190 countries from across the world, Botswana will be part of this once-in-a-lifetime celebration. For more information, please visit our website www.arikopaneng.brandbotswana.co.bw.